Hello, I'm Will Sampson from FDMC Magazine and the Woodworking Network. We've stepped out of the shop today to talk a little bit about work pants. For the last 10 years or so, I've abandoned the old blue jeans or Carhartts or Dickies work pants and gone to European style work pants. And one of the reasons is I'm not getting any younger, and the work pants made in Europe come with built-in knee pads, or at least pockets that you can put knee pads. Now you can get Carhartt pants, for example, that have a pocket on the front of the knee that you can put a thin knee pad into if you can roll it up and fit it into this tight little recess at the bottom of the pocket. But these pants, it's real easy to get through from inside the pant leg, and they're even adjustable as to the position of the pad, and you can put a really thick pad. These pads that are in here right now are good 1/2 to 3/4 inch thick and really comfortable. No comparison to wearing strap-on knee pads or anything like that. But these particular pants are from Helly Hansen. I've also used Black Ladder, which is from Sweden. Helly Hansen is from Norway. And they have a lot of features that make them very useful in the shop and on the job site. One of the things that they have are these outside hanging pockets. You don't need to strap on a heavy nail belt. You just have these pockets, and you can put, screws and things like that, or carry a tape measure, or put, a screwdriver or small tools into the little pockets on here. If the pockets are completely empty, you can tuck them into the front pockets and they sort of just disappear. But I usually just leave them dangling out. There are all sorts of other specialized. There's a loop for a hammer, although it's pretty small, so it may not work for every hammer that you've got. One of the things about Europe that's interesting is the workmen over there don't particularly like tape measures, most of them. They like folding rules. And I can see some of the advantages, but I like my tape measure. And so I don't use this little folding rule pocket that they have, but I found that it's a good fit for my torpedo level, which is real handy on the job site. So, your mileage may vary. There's all sorts of different pockets on here. You can put everything you want into them, and these pockets are reinforced with heavy-duty canvas material, so screws and nails and things like that won't go through them. These particular Helly Hansen pants are made with a stretch fabric it's two-way stretch fabric that definitely makes them more comfortable. I don't know how it's going to wear. The previous pants that I've used have regular canvas type, jeans material here, and they were just fine for me. But, for depending on what you do, that may be a useful thing. Again, the knee pads, that's the best thing. And they're nice wide loops. These loops they have an opening on the side so that you can attach suspender type things. I sometimes use clip-on suspenders with mine. Some of these, the piping is reflective for safety. There's big loops for your belt all the way around. Definitely an improvement on the typical work pant that you're used to seeing. And these run, I think the list price on the Helly Hansens is about $70, which seems to be ballpark for any decent good work pants these days. They also make a version of these pants to fit women. So if you are a woman on the job site or in the shop and you want definitely a more serviceable kind of pants. You want to do away with the nail belt and all that kind of stuff dangling around. Definitely worth taking a look at. Again, it's Helly Hansen, and Helly Hansen workwear is, you can Google that and it'll put you right to the website. Definitely worth looking at. If you want to see more product reviews and videos, you can go to our website at www.woodworkingnetwork.com or in the pages of FDMC magazine. Thanks for watching.